Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add custom comments in Discord. So for that you have to open your Discord in your web browser, and here you have to be like add a bot called MWE6 into your server. I already have added that. You can browse this channel to find a video on how to add the MWE6 bot to your Discord. So it's fairly easy. You can see that video to learn how to add that bot. So you can currently see that this bot is in my server. So after that you have to go to like MWE6 website, and here you have to be logged in with your Discord, and you have to click on add to Discord here, and here you have to select that server of yours where you want to like use MWE6 and click on go. So in here you will find an option called custom comments on the left side. Click on that. So you can add new custom comments from here. So you have to click on this plus icon. So then you have to select a text comment in template, and you have to like type the comment name, and you have to have a like a sign before. So I'm using the default one. And you have to select on bot same channel, and you have to select the text channel, and you can type in the message. Then you have to add an action. Sorry, I mean that was the action. You have to like remove this action, sorry. So here you can see the action. This message will be sent, and you can like edit this option. You can like embed it as well. So I want to embed it. So you have to click on allowed and give the permission to everyone if you want to like everyone to use this comment. You can also like make role in your Discord and like add those roles as well. So after all this you have to click on create new comment. So let's try if the comment works or not. So let's see, where was this comment? So it was on info channel. Let's try it on info channel. So as you can see, when I'm typing this comment, it is showing the message. So that's how you can basically create custom comments on Discord. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.